Indian-style chickpea curry, Chana Masala. Ingredients you'll need: 2 cups boiled chickpeas, or 1 can, drained. 2 medium onions, finely chopped. 2 tomatoes, finely chopped or pured. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 2 green chilies, optional. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons coriander powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1½ teaspoon garam masala. 1½ teaspoon chili powder, adjust to taste. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons cooking oil, or ghee for richer taste. Fresh coriander leaves, for garnish. 1 cup water. Let's make spicy Indian chickpea curry. Step 1. Boil the chickpeas. If using dry chickpeas, soak overnight, 8 to 10 hours, then pressure cook with salt until soft. Smart tip: add a pinch of baking soda before cooking, it softens chickpeas faster. Mistake: undercooked chickpeas equals tough texture that ruins the curry. Always check if they mash easily between your fingers. Step 2. Prepare the base. Heat oil in a pan on medium flame. Add cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Smart tip: the cumin should pop slightly, that's when its aroma releases. Don't burn the cumin, burnt seeds make the curry bitter. Step 3. Add onions. Add chopped onions and sauté until golden brown. Sprinkle a pinch of salt, it speeds up browning. If you rush cooking the onions, they won't brown properly. This will make your curry taste like raw onions and the gravy will look pale instead of rich. Take your time and cook until golden brown. Step 4. Add ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon ginger, add chopped or pured tomatoes and cook until oil separates from the masala. Cover for 3 to 4 minutes to soften tomatoes faster. Stir continuously, it burns quickly. If you add the spices, like chili, turmeric, coriander, before the tomatoes are cooked, the curry can taste raw, bitter, or sour because the spices haven't blended properly with the tomatoes. Always cook the tomatoes first until soft and saucy, then add the spices. This makes the curry taste rich and smooth instead of raw. Next, add your turmeric, chili powder, coriander, and cumin powder into the pan. Mix everything well and let it cook for about 2 minutes so the spices release their amazing aroma. While frying the spices, add about 1 tablespoon of water. This keeps the spices from burning and actually helps them release a deeper, richer flavor. If you dry roast the spices for too long without any moisture, they can turn bitter and taste burnt. So always keep a little water in the pan while cooking. Add the cooked chickpeas to your masala and mix everything thoroughly so the flavors combine beautifully. Pour in 1 cup of water and let it simmer gently on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps the chickpeas absorb all the spice goodness. Be careful not to add too much water, or your curry will turn watery instead of rich and creamy. Take the back of a spoon and mash a few chickpeas while it's simmering. This naturally thickens your curry, giving it that perfect creamy texture. It's time to finish with garam masala. Sprinkle it over your curry and let it simmer gently for another 2 to 3 minutes. If you add garam masala too early, all that lovely fragrance disappears, and your curry loses its punch. Hence, always add garam masala at the very end. High heat can dull its beautiful aroma, so adding it last keeps the flavor fresh and fragrant. It's time to finish with garam masala. Sprinkle it over your curry and let it simmer gently for another 2 to 3 minutes. If you add garam masala too early, all that lovely fragrance disappears, and your curry loses its punch. Hence, always add garam masala at the very end. High heat can dull its beautiful aroma, so adding it last keeps the flavor fresh and fragrant. Your support means a lot. Hit like, comment, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering dishes. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.